Material matching is a very important feature in zPlanner for finding a new material that has equivalent performance than current one. You can use material matching in StackUp interface. In the new material matching in 2504, we now support copper roughness as an option. And you can also use some Boolean constraint like smaller than or larger than. Now I'm going to find a new material for replacement. Now the material matching helped me to find new materials for replacement. So I'm going to make some narrow down. Like I'm going to find some material with similar DF value here. So from the material matching, you can do some kind of radial plots for comparison of the material. You can also export the data into Excel. So you can see the detailed information of it, like the DK value, the DF, the TG, the Z-axis expansion, and also the copper roughness data. And also you can do the material replacement from the material matching interface by clicking one of the material and then use this web material and click OK. Then it will replace material with a new one for you. It's a very good feature in zPlanner.